Yoruba man that has been trending. I was a victim too. Yes, I was a victim, and that man stays at Ikeja mostly because he picked me up at Ikeja. That was where he picked me up, and my destination was Ishaga, so he picked me up at Ikeja. Then, getting to Agege, he started diverting to another route. Yes. So I was like, sir, this is not where I'm going to. That's why I told him. I said, this is not where I'm going to. The man said I should shut up. He just said, he shut up. You have entered the wrong car. Hey, oh God. I was like, wrong car. Then immediately I tried to open the door. He was now laughing. He said that I cannot open this door, that I should just cooperate with him. Yes, that was what he said. And mind you, before I entered, I wanted to stay at the front. He used that particular tactics. Yes, so we have to be careful. You all have to be careful. He used that particular tactics because when I wanted to stay at the front, and I noticed that he poured a drink on the chair. So he now told me that that I should go to the back so that my clothes will not be stained because of the drinks that he poured on the chair. That's his tactics. Because I watched a video where this one girl said exactly the same thing. The girl was not lying. That was the same thing he did to me. So he asked me to go to the back. And mind you, I was not thinking of anything. Like, I was thinking it's a safe ride for me. So I went to stay at the back without having anything in my mind. So when he now told me that I should shut up, that I've entered the wrong vehicle, the wrong car, that was what he said, that I've entered the wrong. So when he said I've entered the wrong car, I became very scared. Before you know it, he brought out a knife. Then he brought out a gun. Yes, but I didn't see acid. But he brought out a gun and a knife. That's what he brought out for me. Then the next thing, he was like, he has a ring, that I should cooperate with him. That if I don't cooperate with him, that he has a ring. And when he hits me the ring, that I'm going to be unconscious. So he will take me to where they will butcher my body. He will sell my body in parts. That's what he told me, that he's going to sell my body in parts. That he already has people that will buy my body. That's what the guy told me. So I became so scared. Then he also told me that he has Anki too. That if you just touch it on my face, that I will be very unconscious, and he will take me to an unknown destination, and he will do a lot of things to my body and still sell my body and collect his 5 million naira, because that's what he said they used to pay him when he bring people's body, that he's going to collect 5 million naira. So before you know it, he now said I should bring out my phone. I was like, I was not with my phone. He now gave me one hot slap. He was like, do you think I'm playing with you? Do you think I am joking with you? I said you should bring out your phone, and you are telling me I'm not with your phone. He's like, you want me to kill you here? Immediately he now brought out the knife. He was now holding the knife. He said he's going to stab me to death. Hell. And I became so scared. And I brought out my phone because I don't want to die. Nobody was passing. Like, everywhere was lonely. The place he took me to, the road around that Aguda road or somewhere, that place is always lonely and very quiet. That's where he parked. And mind you, he was stopping bit by bit. Like, if you notice a car is coming, he will not. So if you notice a car is coming and it's flashing lights, he will just start driving immediately. He will just drive and stop. When you see that no car is coming, he will not stop. But if you notice a car is coming again, he will not drive. He was stopping bit by bit. That was what he was doing. So immediately I gave him my phone. He now started opening on my app. He now said I should start transferring my money. He brought out a Money Point account, and I transferred my money from my PalmPay to my OPay to my Sterling, remaining my Fidelity Bank. That one I don't have a app for that one. So he was like I should download the app and transfer the money of that one to him. I was like, this app now has been locked for years and I've not opened it because I don't use it. He now said, do I think he's joking with me? He's like, I want to be dead. I don't love my life. I love money more than my life. He's going to kill me. I was like, sir, And this app has not been working for 3 years now. So he now said, okay, let's try the USSD. So he was not trying, and he collected my pin and everything. He collected my pin, and he was with my phone. He was the one operating my phone. That man is a beast and is very, very wicked and very, very mean. I can't imagine 30 people complaining about that man, and they say this man has been operating since 2022, and the government is not even doing anything or saying anything about that man. This is very bad. That was how this man tried to transfer my money from my Fidelity for 10 times, and they were saying service time out. It was not going. So he now told me, okay, that since the USSD is not going, that tomorrow morning that he's going to free me. That tomorrow morning I will now go and send the money to him in his Money Point account. All the money in my Fidelity, I will send it to him in his Money Point account. And I said, okay, no problem. So that was what he said. I will transfer the money to him. Then before you know it, he was like, that the money is too small for him, because when he brings my body, when he sell my body to people that used to buy it from him, that he's going to make a lot of money, 5 million naira. And he was also telling me that he has 4 boys that are working for him, and they are around that area, that they are doing the same work for him. That's what he told me, that he has boys that are doing the same work for him, that that he wants to take me to where they used to meet, all of them used to meet, so that they will negotiate on how to butcher my body and everything. Like, I was so scared. I was just praying. I said, God, just save me. I don't know what I'm going to do in the hands of this man. Like, I already gave up, but I was still praying. So immediately he now changed his mind. He started telling me that what girls did to him, that's why he's doing these things to girl, that girls did show him pepper, this one, that one. In my mind I said, oh girl, this thing you are saying, you know, my business. Girl show you pepper or not show you pepper? Am I the girl that did anything to you? He was just complaining, all this girl, that he doesn't mercy for girls, that once he see them he used to kill them straight. That's what he told me. Then he now said that he would have spent my life as me have given birth. In fact, that man kept me for 1 hour plus, if not 2 hours, saying things that I don't even want to hear. He was not saying that as me have given birth now, that he's going to spare my life, because their sacrifice does not need someone that has given birth, which means he kills people truly. That's my sacrifice, that they don't use mothers, people that has given birth for sacrifice, that is single lady, that he does not use mothers, he only use single girls for his money rituals, and people that buy the parts from him, that they don't need people that has given birth. I don't know, everything he was saying, I was not saying anything. I just want to leave that particular car. I just want to calm down. So after everything, he now told me that that do I have condom inside my bag? Look at what he was asking me. I said I don't have condom inside my bag. He now searched my bag. He now said, why won't you have condom inside your bag? I said I don't have. He now said, okay, that no problem, he's going to allow me to go, but I should promise him that I will send him the money to tomorrow morning when I go to bank. Then I said, okay, I just want to leave, I'm accepting everything. I said, okay, I will send you the money. He now said, okay. Then he now told me that that if he drop me, that he's going to go and pick someone else too, that he has not ended, that his job has not finished for that day, to show you that that is what he does for a living, that he's going to go and pick someone else too and rob the person. I was like, I did not say anything, no. My own is I just want to come down from his car. Then after everything, he collected my phone, then asked me to send the money to him tomorrow morning, being Monday, and I should call my number to let him know that I've sent the money, because I know the account he was using was a POS account, not his account. So I said okay. Then he now dropped me. Then he collected my wig. When he collected my wig, he was not asking me that how long have I been using this wig. I said I've been using this wig for 2 years. So he now collected my wig. Then he now asked me that, that which wig is this? I said it's normal wig now. He now said, oh, okay. He now dropped it at the front seat. Then he now later asked me that, how long have I used this wig? I said that I've been using this wig for 2 years. And mind you, I use my brain, because I know that if I should tell him that this wig I just bought this week, he's going to collect the wig. So I told him I've been using this wig for 2 years. That's what I told him. So when I told him I've been using this wig for 2 years, he now gave me back the wig. He was like, I thought you're even a big girl. Big girls, they cannot even wear wigs up to 2 years. I said, I'm not a big girl now. This is what I have. I've been wearing it for 2 years. He now gave me back my wig, which means this man does not only rob people. He will take everything from you. He will take all your belongings. He will take your hair. He will take everything. That's what he does. Because for him to return back my wig, he believes 2 years nobody is going to buy it from him or something. Maybe he will collect it and sell it. So he might be thinking he's not worth collecting. That was why he gave me back my wig, and he now stopped. And that particular car that he's driving, you cannot open it from inside, because when he stopped, I was trying to open it from inside. I could not open it. See, he wind down for me to open it from outside. Then I have to come down. So please, we have to be careful. This man is staying at Ikeja every time, according to what people are saying, because he picks me up from Ikeja, which means he operates there very, very well. So we should mark his face and be very careful. I was a victim. This man held me for like 1 hour plus, saying what I don't want to hear. But I thank God that I came out alive. But please, we need justice. This is so after everything, he took my phone, my money that he transferred, and asked me to send him money the next day. So the next morning, I called the number. Yes, I called my number. My number was going, and another person picked. That means he has colleagues. He has members. It's not only him, so let's be careful. His members too might be out there that we don't even know. So he has members, and it was his colleague that picked. The colleague now said, that have I transferred the money to them? I was like, I have it in cash. He now said, okay, that I should not play smart with them, because he promised me that if I should transfer every money that I have in my account, that he's going to return back my phone, that he's going to tell me where I will meet him, that he's going to return back my phone. That was what he said. So I told him, no, I have the money cash. And I said, okay, that I should meet them around Agege area. That's what he said. I was like, okay. So before then, I went to go and block my account, because I know that they will be trying to withdraw my money. So it's like, after blocking my account, it's like they tried to withdraw my money, and they were telling them that the account has been blocked already. That was how they switched off my phone. Till today, I didn't see my phone, I didn't see my money, everything was gone. But I didn't send them the money they asked me to send them. Oh, no, it was just the one that he sent from my Pampay and my Opay. But every other thing was gone. My phone was gone. Please, that man is a beast. Let's be careful. Let's be careful. If you see his face, run. Oh, don't enter his car. He's a kidnapper and also a robber, all joined together. Please, let's be careful out there. Please.